the entire world is suffering due to three problems. Number one, emotional imbalance. Bhavudvega prajna. Emotional imbalance, number one. Second thing is mental constipation. Do you understand the word? I am not saying physical constipation, mental constipation, to be, not to be. Or metro bus, or metro train, or cab, or something else. Every day. Every day. If you are late to class, are you sincere when you talk to principal? Tell me honestly. No. Even principal did the same thing, you did the same thing. Off the record, please. Because we are all academicians. A concern. So that's what I am saying, So these are very, very important. So mental constipation, one. And first thing is emotional compatibility, imbalance. Third one is selfishness. Okay? But you must love yourself. How many of you honestly love yourself? How many of you love yourself? Some are not raising hands. I'm getting outside. Okay. Very nice. Give a clap, all of you. And what Bhagavan Rajni says, unless you cannot love yourself, there is no one to love you. You got the meaning? If you cannot love yourself, there is no one to love you. Understand? So this is important, particularly mind. That's why mind plus body is equal to man. But I tell you, girls, please, you have to enact 3-4 multiple roles in your personal life after marriage. Average lady undergoes 2 to 3 minimum operations. Am I right? Minimum 3 operations, imagine. That's why I said, when mother is comfortable, family is comfortable. Accepted?
Yes.
When mother is comfortable, family is comfortable. When teacher is comfortable, society is comfortable. When mind is comfortable, body comfortable. When girl is comfortable, the world is comfortable. Most important is this Nirbhaya Bhai can't do. You must be comfortable fundamentally. You have got lot of energy. A lady is compared with the nature, Adi Shakti, Parashakti. That much of power, infinity you have got it. But you must understand yourself. You need self-mastery. You cannot attain self-mastery unless you have self-discovery. Self-discovery, self-recovery, self-mastery. That's a master. You need to discover yourself. Understand? Self-discovery. You got my point? Self-discovery, self-recovery, and self-mastery. Atmagnata, know thyself, what the Bible says. So most important, please. Since you are girl students, please, my humble request you, first thing is, you must be healthy and strong. Accepted? You must be healthier and strong. That's why a healthy man alone can save the ill-healthy. If you are weak, you cannot help the weak. Am I right? Yes. If you are strong enough, you can help the weak. Nurse means nature. U means updation. R means recharging. Even concepts, even the physical energy. And S means successful. E means enlivening. You know enlivening? So repeat all of you. Nature. Louder. Nature. Updation. Recharging. Successful. Enlivening. You got the meaning?
Yes.
You got the meaning? I say nurses on the earth. Nurses in medical treatment. Nurses are the first and nurses are the last. Accepted? You are the first doctor. Don't forget that. Any college, any hospital runs. Every hospital runs only with the attendance of the nurse. So nurse is the first and nurse is the last. So in send off, nurse certificate clearance. To admittance again, nurse only. So unless you update yourself, you cannot be a nurse. You become a curse. You become a nurse, otherwise you become curse. Shabam. How difficult. I say a nurse is a divine gifted being. A spiritual angelic personality to save the earth, I tell you. You are the divine beings, a gifted beings. Need not go to temples and mosques, not necessary. You take care of profession, the noblest, purest, humblest profession, nursing, I tell you. I put question to myself, we do not feel like going to hospital. If we see a patient one day, we feel very tense and uneasy to get to the hospital one day, just visiting. experts working here and treating only the sick people. You never treat the healthy people, am I right? You never take healthy people, every day sick people. That means you are the noble people enabling the unable. What the meaning? You are the noble people enabling the unable. Repeat all of you. Louder. Enabling the unable. Say louder. Not enabling the unable. Read some language, beautiful language. Don't neglect language, man. Language big luggage. Language big luggage. Engage manage at any age. Otherwise you damage life. Language most important. Manage at any age. Otherwise you damage life. Very important. Am I right? Okay? Right. Once again. Give a clap all of you. Then you ask me, sir, then how to attend mental health? Okay? This is something like this, among these subject skills, soft skills, life skills, vehicle. Which is very important for a vehicle? Speak. Petrol, okay, madam. Okay, petrol is next. Huh? Steering is very important. Everything is there. No steering. No steering. What happens? Insta Apollo goes to Gate Banjara. Or Gate Usman General Hospital. So steering is what? Mind. That's why mind your own mind. Mind your own mind. But the problem with all the time, mind and mind. When you sit in the first bench, how difficult for the teacher to teach you better. The first bench you are sitting. But is your mind sitting there? Honestly. Because you are in your age. Natural. Again, mind goes somewhere. Mummy, daddy, I want to go. Understand? I am waiting for the holidays to come. Okay, our complete rains, holiday meeting of the government of Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. That's why I said, mind is a monkey. Mind is a monkey, jumping, jumping. Body is a donkey, working, working. So, mind is a monkey, jumping, jumping. Body is a donkey, working, working. Soul is the soul key, judging, judging. This is the concept. This is the concept. People, for girls mostly, because I frequent teenage students for placement training. I'm a placement trainer, particularly engineering and MBAs, many hundreds of colleges. And many girls students complain, sir, headache, sir. How many of you have headache? Tell me. Honestly, I'm a yoga master. Yoga believes in truth. How many of you have frequent headache? Very nice. Very nice. People are unable to decide whether they get headache or not. That's another headache. How many have headache? Tell me honestly, I'll give some tips. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. I say, yes. I say, I'm a Kriya master. Jalaneti, Sutaneti, Gajakarni, Shankapakshan, different things. Kriya master. I say headache is simple, nothing. Headache is bogus. Headache is farce. Understand? Okay. Then ask me, sir, how? Many people. Very nice. I had a beautiful quotation. Never mention tension. Never mention tension. Enjoy attention. What do you mean? Never mention tension. Enjoy attention. Maybe you are late to class. A lot of tension. How to talk to madam, the principal, or Madam Rajeshwari? How? And you make lots of mental rehearsals. Immediately she happens to see you on the corridor. Suddenly tension. But be on, madam, I did mistake today. Next time I cannot repeat it. So if we go on saying the mental mind mapping, a day comes, you'll be quite irritated. I say headache is perfect nothing. If you really have head, there is no ache. Tala unna valaki tallappu ache. And I tell you one more clue for this. Are you ready? One clue. One remedy. Not medicine, please. Yoga is different. Yoga is mind and body. Okay. Personal yoga is dynamic. Universal yoga is cosmic. Corporate believes in cosmetic yoga. But this yoga believes in cosmology. So corporate is cosmetic. Cosmetic means fair and lovely. What is that? Fair mind, lovely body, fair and lovely personality.